Okay, so it's 1:12. I think we can begin and people can join us as we are progressing into the update. So hi everyone again, I'm Samir, Crust Network's community manager, and I will be hosting this month's community call. For the mainnet status, a couple of important things we can note that are the account number just passed the 111,000. That's a significant change compared to last month, which were a little bit below 100,000. We have a bit of a shift upwards in the nodes that passed 1600, and we also have the storage orders, which are upwards by a couple thousand. Some technology updates about Crust mainnet are mostly we have increased the number of file replicas across the network, and that enabled the file computing power curve feature. We also have the Crust mainnet data statistics service, and related reports have been developed and are now live. Some other functionalities to S Manager for the probabilistic filtering of pull orders and released the update. We've added the IPFS boot node setting to Crust node, script configuration and development completed and released issued. And a couple of bug fixtures, fixed the bug in the Crust and Elrond bridge, and fixed the circulating API, so that way we can ensure that the values played on the CoinSco match on subscan, because previously there were some mismatches between the two. The THDA will have stabilization. More technology updates, we have the Ton bugs. So we received a grant from the Ton Foundation. Smart contract developments are completed, and the S Manager and S Worker development are currently in progress. The mini app development is also in progress, and for Crust official website, Crust files, and Crust Cloud are now supporting multiple domains and both IPNS and IPFS deployment. And some ecosystem updates. We are excited to announce that Crust Files is now integrated with Mimir wallet. Now by logging it with Mimir multi-sign wallet, you can store files in a decentralized way for free. We are also excited to announce our partnership with Voxodrome. This alliance will inject advanced DeFi functionalities into the decentralized infrastructure, and that will boost the liquidity and participation. Crust Network has also partnered with Excavate Official to revolutionize real estate tokenization. By leveraging Crust decentralized storage, Excavate ensures secure, scalable property-based management, making all real. And we also had the X-Space with Excavate, which was pretty both interesting and informative, and we have it on our X where you can check it out. Moving on, we can see the hydrations.trading volumes over the last month, which is a personal quad drive created by the team from the Crust Chinese community. It is easy file sharing and gets 6 months of free storage now. And yeah, as previously mentioned, the Crust files now support the Ton ecosystem. All the users can log in with their Ton wallets to access the decentralized storage, which would enhance security and accessibility for free, which is quite the update. This integration is a key step forward for both Crust and Ton, and we are excited to see how it will progress. And moving on, we had Crust work with the U2U network and other DeepIn projects to co-initiate a large community event called DeepIn Flip the Meme, and that event was quite visited when it came with over 10,700 participants. We also hold a Twitter space together with Quo Network, SVT Protocol, and Ultimate Digits, and the topic of the space was DeepIn, meme wave 3, how we become the game changer. It was fun and informative space, and it is still up in the X if you are interested in checking it out. And yeah, we have some reporters supported by the Polkadot. And yeah, as previously we can see that they've mentioned our collaboration with Excavate, and we are also excited to announce that Crust will be participating in the Polkadot hosted by Tumblr. We are sponsoring a $1,000 bounty for projects that align with the Crust storage team. The Singapore and West stages kicked off on July 11. July 28th at 9 UTC+8, Crust core developer Brian provided a detailed introduction to Crust network for the developers. You can see the recap video, and after the community call, I can have it in the Telegram chat so you can check it out. And this sums up the presentation regarding the community call. We can now move forward with the task which we had for the Q&A, which was posted at Zili, and where we've selected 5 of the submitted questions. And I will now go over them one by one. First one being, how does Crust Network plan to maintain its competitive edge in the decentralized storage space, especially with the emergence of new projects and technologies? So, Crust Network plans to maintain its competitive edge by constantly enhancing its on-chain computation efficiency and fast power processing, and by supporting multiple blockchain systems and the cutting technology is the Ethereum Layer 2 solutions, for example, the Arbitrum, the Polygon, Optimism, and Based. Crust Network addresses critical issues like the high gas cost and network congestion. Additionally, Crust plans to extend its decentralized storage solutions to other ecosystems, some of them including Algorand, Ton, or beyond, and ensuring broad compatibility and adaptability. And by staying ahead in technological innovation and ecosystem integration, Crust Network can definitely maintain its leadership position in the decentralized storage space. So the second question being, how does data providers are rewarded based on the storage they offer, and the data consumer benefits from the secure and cost-effective storage options, and validators incentivized to maintain network security and reliability. Decentralized governance model, it ensures that all the stakeholders have a voice in the decision-making process, and that fosters a fair and equitable ecosystem. And moreover, the network's architecture allows for scalability and flexibility. enabling it to adapt to the evolving needs of its diverse user base while maintaining sustainability. How this Crust network addresses the potential risks of data breaches or misuse within its decentralized storage system. So Crust network currently mitigates the risk of data breaches or misuse by utilizing the trust execution environments, shortly for TEE, and that ensures that the sensitive data is processed in a secure and isolated environment, protecting a bit well. I think my microphone is having some issues. Let me try to swap it up with the distinctions here that how Crust addresses the potential risks of data breaches or misuse within its decentralized storage system. Yeah, the trust execution environments, they ensure that the data is in a and isolated environment, and that protects it from unauthorized access or tampering. So this hardware-based approach provides a strong layer of protection against potential breaches. And moving forward, network plans to further enhance the technologies, DK-proof technologies, which will provide additional privacy and security guarantees in a decentralized manner. These future developments trust data within its storage system. And question 4 being, what are some of the key advantages of using Crust plus decentralized storage over other solutions available in the Ton ecosystem? Crust files currently offer significant advantages within the Ton ecosystem. One key benefit, for example, is that Crust's EVM storage contract already supports the Ton chain and just Ton wallets. Users can place orders on Crust files using a Ton wallet without incurring any fees, and that makes it a cost-effective solution. In the future, plans to a customized storage tool specifically designed for the Ton ecosystem, which may even direct this upcoming further enhance usability accessibility settings, setting Crust file apart from other decentralized storage solution in the Ton ecosystem. Another thing is say running a validator node. For example, those with technical expertise can contribute by running a validator node, which helps maintain the network's security and reliability. For the developers, they can contribute by building applications or integrations that leverage Crust solutions. Network also supports open development where contributors can submit improvements or new features. And Crust the community engagement and promotion. Community members can join OCP and CAP, and there's many chances to contribution for Crust. And lastly, participation in events and initiatives. Crust frequent host events and initiatives. One, for example, the 180 days of Polkadot. Community members can engage, learn, and overall contribute to the network's development. And yeah, those were the questions for the Q&A. So I think this wraps up the community call for this month. Thank you everyone who is joining and being with us, and we are looking forward to seeing what we have in this upcoming month. Thank you. And yeah, I will post the links that I mentioned in the chat, so make sure to go and check them out. Thank you everyone, and bye. Have a nice day or evening.